Hi guys, welcome in this new video where I'm going to show you a new USDT earning platform. So with this particular platform, you can be earning 3 USDT every single day. So all you have to do is to watch this video till the very end and do not skip any part. So to start with this particular platform, all you have to do is to go to the video description and click on the first link there. So once you click on the first link there, you'll be taken to this place. So once on this page, all you have to do is to register. So you have to create an account, enter your particulars over here. You will see a code over here. Don't touch it, and the last thing to do is to click on the button register over here to create your account with this particular platform. So once you click on the button register, you'll be taken to this place. So once you get to this place, all you have to do is to click on the button I know over here to close this notification. So after that, you'll be taken to your account. So once you get to your account, this is how it will be looking like. And as I told you guys, with this platform you can be earning USDT every day, but before you can start earning the USDT, you have to do a deposit. You have to invest. So before I'll show you guys how to invest, how to deposit, I'll first of all show you guys the different packages that you have on this particular platform. So to see the packages, all I have to do is to click on the button VIP over here. So once you click on the button VIP, you can see the different packages on the platform. So the first package will be fetching you 3 USDT every single day, but before you can start earning the 3 USDT, you have to invest at least 15 USDT. You can see the second package over here that will be fetching you 17 USDT every day, but before you can start earning the 17 USDT, you have to invest at least 80 USDT. So that's how you have the packages up to the last one over here, which will be fetching you 4,000 USDT every day, but before you can start earning the 4,000, you have to invest, you have to deposit at least 12,800 USDT. But guys, let me advise you, if you want to deposit, make sure you deposit what you can afford to lose, because it's an investment platform and anything can happen. So if you want to do the deposit, all I have to do is to click on the button me over here. So once you click on the button me over there, you can see the button recharge over here. So all I have to do is to click on the button recharge over there. So once you click on the button recharge over there, you can see the different cryptocurrencies that you can use to do the deposit. So you have USDT TRC20, you have TRX, you have USDT BP20, you have BNB, and you have USDC BP20. So you can choose the cryptocurrency that you want to use to do the deposit. So assuming that you want to do the deposit through the USDT BP20, so all I have to do is to click on USDT BP20 over there. So once you click on USDT BP20 over there, you'll be taken to this place. So once you get to this place, this is the address that you have to copy and go and send the crypto on it. So once you're here, all I have to do is to click on the button copy over here, copy this address, go to your wallet and send the crypto. If you are sending the crypto, make sure you send USDT BP20. If not, you are going to lose your crypto. So after you're done doing the deposit, all I have to do is to come back on the website over here and click on the button recharge completed for the crypto to arrive. So after you're done with the deposit, all I have to do is to go back now to complete a tax before you can start making the withdrawal. So once you be back over here, all I have to do is to click on the button tax over here. So once you click on the button tax over there, you can see the countdown over here. This tax can be done every 24 hours. So once you are here, all I have to do to perform the tax is to click on this button to complete. So once you click on it, just wait for some time. You can see it over here loading, so you just have to exercise patience, and as you can see, complete successfully. So after you are done with the tax, okay, you can now proceed with the withdrawal. So to do the withdrawal, all I have to do is to click on the button me again. So once you click on the button me, beside the button recharge, you can see the button withdraw over there. So just click on the button withdraw over there. So once you click on the button withdraw over there, you will see your balance over here. You can see it over here, total balance. This is mine over here, the 3 USDT that I just got after performing the tax. So once you are here, you have to choose the cryptocurrency that you want to use to do the withdrawal. Okay, so basically you have two cryptocurrencies, USDT TRC20 and USDT BP20. So choose the cryptocurrency that you want to use to do the withdrawal. As for me, I'm going with the USDT BP20, so I have to select the USDT BP20. So after that, you have to enter the amount that you want to withdraw. Okay, so the minimum amount to withdraw is 3 USDT, so I have to enter the amount over there. After that, you have to go and copy your withdrawal address and come and paste it over here. Okay, I already copied mine, so I'll just paste it here. So after that, you have to enter your password, your withdrawal password, and click on the button confirm. So after entering your withdrawal password, you can now click on the button confirm to proceed to make the withdrawal. So as you can see, withdraw successfully. So I'm done doing the withdrawal. All I have to do is to wait for some time and go and check in my wallet and see if I have received the 3 USDT. So while waiting for withdrawal to arrive, I will show you guys another alternative that you can use to be earning more USDT on this particular platform. So for that, you have to come back over here. So once you are back over here, all you have to do is to click on the button team over here. So once you click on the button team over there, you can see it over here. This is your referral link. Okay, so once you're here, all you have to do is to click on the button copy over here, copy this link and start sharing it with people. So when you refer many people, are going to receive a lot of USDT with this particular platform. So as you can see it down over here, you can be receiving the referral commissions on 3 levels. So you have level 1, level 2 and level 3. So on level 1, you'll be receiving 12% on your downlines investment. On level 2 here, you'll be receiving 2%, and on level 3 here, you'll be receiving 1%. Okay, which is very amazing, guys. So if you have a problem with the website, all you have to do is to contact the customer service. So just click on this icon over here to contact the customer service. So once you click on that icon over there, okay, you can contact them through Telegram. So just click on one of these buttons over here to contact them on Telegram. So any question that any problem that you have, they'll help to sort out your problem. So guys, after waiting for some time, as you can see, I'm back in my wallet over here, and you guys can see that I truly received the 3 USDT that I withdrew from the platform. Okay, today being the 3rd May 2025, which shows that this platform is truly paying, guys. But as I said earlier, if you want to deposit, if you want to invest with this particular platform, you make sure you deposit, you make sure you invest what you can afford to lose, because it's an investment platform and anything can happen. So guys, that's it for this video, and if you're not yet subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button to subscribe and turn on your notification bell, so whenever I post a new video, you are going to be notified. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, guys. God bless you, and see you in my next video.